Okay, so I decided to enter a second short opportunity for ZIL. It was a hard choice because it was between Theta and ZIL. But the main reason I entered, I'm down a little bit right now, down about 100 something dollars, but I really do believe this is the absolute final top because we're starting to see some pressure to the downside on a 15-minute or 15-second candle. We saw like literally a 6% drop in a 15-second candle. Someone ended up dumping how many here? 10 million amount. So that's $100,000. Actually, was it 100? Yeah, he dumped $100,000 in 15 seconds, and that shit can really affect the market. And this is a prime example of how you can't really day trade with like a quarter million and market execute, or even half of that. You got to really buy in different levels, and that's how it goes. So now we take a look at ZIL in a higher time frame. We're seeing it trend obviously very high. So we're seeing it almost double top right now. I'm in a pretty bad situation. I'm leveraged 5 down 245. But I think that we're about to double top, to be quite honest. Or this is the fifth wave that got up to there. So just looking for the bearish signs right now, okay? We look on the higher time frames, and we're just seeing this thing way too oversold. So there's got to be a sell-off sometime. You know what I mean? A sell-off is going to happen. And that's exactly what I am trying to do. I'm trying to catch a sell-off, a major sell-off. And this could happen very, very soon. And this could be it. Because of this one candle that indicated that people are getting kind of nervous about it. Not only that, we can't really stay above the 55 EMA forever. Right? This is not cool. Eventually, things want to break down. And this Hanging Man candle that's finishing in 13 minutes. Hanging Man finished in the 8-minute candle. Hanging Man is finishing in 3. The Hanging Man, though, this dragonfly type of doji at the top is not good. So I'm almost inclined right now to leverage 10 because I'm very certain, and I'm playing on a $2,000 account that's being highly leveraged for you guys for fun, right, today? I'm not going to go to 10. That's silly. I'd probably add another times. I'd probably go to 8, but right now I'm at 5, which I'm comfortable at. Whoops, I can't go back to 5 anymore now. I'm down, I forgot. Here's the attempted breakup. Ooh, it's so just heavy right now. The atmosphere. Shit, like there's one peak, there's a second peak. There's not a third peak yet. Fuck. The lack of the third peak makes me worry. Oh, what? It's making me nervous because I don't like to not catch the top. And I don't know what the fuck that is. This is probably a breakout. If it breaks out of there, I'm done. I'm done this trade. But it's got to be very close to the end. I mean, like, that one candle that we just got was so nasty, fuck. And I'm certain that this is entire wave, right? Like this right here is an entire wave. That's what I think. I think that's like the best thing that we can say for it because we take a look on the daily, right? Actually, not even. Yeah, I couldn't even begin to tell you. I think I clarified it earlier in my last video. But now I'm uncertain because we keep getting higher ones. This one does look like it though, like from right here. Because these ones have deep retracements. So I will be taking my retracement from here. So my RR ends up becoming pretty big. Like really well. 6-7% possible. Let's just say we go for like a 3% stop. Which is big because 3 leveraged by 5 is really 15. So 50% of $22,000 is 350. So that's big. So you have to keep in mind that that's big to me, right? So that's kind of the play. We're actually in from 91, what? 90, holy shit, 90.45. Pretty bad position. I don't know how I got into that bad of a position. Wow. My position's shitty. It's not bad, actually. I'm going to have to go for a 5% one here. 5 times 15, or 5 times 10, or 5 times 5 is 25. So I'd be down $500 of my whole account size. This is why it's highly risky. I'm very tempted to take my loss right now, to be quite honest. I don't want to lose $550. I'd rather lose it all now. I mean, like, I'd rather lose 200 now. But if this breaks to the downside, which it is on the downside trend, it really is, I'm going to be safe. Doesn't look like much to you guys, but it is very important right here over the past 19 minutes. Watch, we're going to get a reaction here. Oh, we broke down. Yeah, we got a little wick. Nice. We broke down to like the 91 ranges on the futures. There we go. Fuck yes. Ah, feels good. Okay, there we go. There we go. Almost broken even. High five. Bam. High five. Broken even. Now, just give me a little bit more to go. Yeah. Just give me a wick down, bro. Fuck, I got this. This is going to be a $200, $250 profit. I got it. Oh, wow. That recovery was huge. Or is it just trying to break up to the upside again, but it fails? Oh, no. It actually gets back up. Is it? Don't. On the 15-second chart, don't get above it. Don't get above the 55 EMA. That's what it's trying to do right now. Because we fell below it. Yes, we closed below it. Yes. Yes. See the sentiment now? You see that fucking sentiment just drive down? See, we tried to break above the 55 EMA. Failed. Failed. Right? We failed. That candle was so fucking important. This one tries to break above it. Almost. Then this one tries really hard. Fails. And this one just capitulates. And now we break to the downside. I just feel like taking breaking even right here. I don't want to be trading today, but I feel like I'm forcing myself to a little bit. We're probably gonna come down to this end there, 89.50 range first. I'm guessing. Finally. Oh wow! Look at that break. Holy crap! Okay, look over here with me, right here. I'm to say the last two numbers only. So it's at 65, 61. Yes, dropping. 65, 70, 80s, 90s, coming back down. 63. So there's definitely pressure to come down. You guys see the pressure, right? All right. So this was a pretty good trade here. I think that it will reach the original target of like 81 cents over here. I genuinely think it'll reach that. But I don't want to be trading all day. I'm happy with the profits. Bam! Whoa! I just took my profit right there. I started this account today with $2,000, guys. I'm already at $2,550. This is awesome. And I recorded all of it for live trading. Check out the last trade here. $300 that I just took on this trade right here. 300 bucks. That's awesome. Woo! Damn, boy. You on fire. Up 550 American dollars today in 2 hours of trading. Woo! Mama Whale's on fire today. So that was a really good trade there. I'm feeling very good and very confident about it. About more, because if you take a look at this one and Theta, they're kind of identical. So we're starting to see the top here for Zil, just so you guys know, okay? The count is almost in already. This is the biggest capitulation we've had here at 7%. And I'm going to be playing this a little bit more today. So I am up 700 Canadian dollars today on my day off while on vacation. Feels pretty good, right? I was looking at the 15-second chart, to be honest, okay? You guys got to watch the full live trade video. And I started to get really interested in it when this crossover happened on the 15-second chart. Because I see the triple peaks, like the triple crossovers, the one, two, the third bounce, you know what I mean? So the third bounce with all these peaks gets me really interested in it. Not only that, okay, the most interesting one was this guy right there. That was interesting. I shorted that one. It ended up rallying up even more, right? This one here crossed back up. So I said to myself, that's going to be a good one to start getting interested in it. That tiny little histogram peak on the 1 minute down could have signaled a crossover, and that's kind of what happened. You guys got to watch the full live trade video that I recorded. Bam! Mama Wheels up 700 Canadian dollars.